Hello, this is the Layman's Reaction. I'm doing 3 songs by people or groups whose names start with a number, separately. Here I've got Three Dog Night, and the song is Shambala.
You can clap your hands, it's all right. I think you got it now. Wash away my trouble, wash away my pain with the rain and Shambala. Wash away my sorrow, wash away my shame with the rain and Shambala. I'm a yeah, 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 yeah. I'm a yeah, 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 yeah. Everyone is lucky, everyone is kind. Long the road to Shambala. Everyone is happy, everyone is so kind. Long the road to Shambala.
A happy song. Everybody's happy, everybody's kind. Yeah, this is nice. By the flowers in his eyes on the road to Shambala. I can tell my sister by the flowers in her eyes on the road to Shambala. Yeah, 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 yeah. On the road to Shambala. The guy on the right there, I think he has the most fun all the time, not just on this one. Great song, great beat. They had fun doing it. Nice lyrics. Yeah, I like this. I hope you all did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.